It is June 8th, 2020. This is my daily recap video. Today I took one trade on LK, a pre-opening range breakdown. What I saw was this red candlestick, closed below almost everything here. It was below everything on the 5-minute chart too. And then I noticed that it was the real-time price action was really nice. I liked it a lot, and that's kind of why I got into the trade. I actually um, wanted to get or tried to get in a little bit above where I did here, but it took a minute for the not a minute, but a few seconds for the order to go through because it was on short selling restriction. So I didn't get it in as good as I meant to or hoped for or tried or whatever you want to however you want to say that. So, anyways, but it did get me in, and it took a second, but then it started moving down pretty nicely. So I covered a third, and then it made another nice, really nice drop. I covered another third, and then still in this candlestick, shortly after I covered this second time, it got halted. So uh, suspense was kind of killing me. Um, so I was stuck in the trade. I had 30 shares left. I took 60 shares initially. Or, well, I didn't change that. So I took 60 shares to open the trade, I should say, and so I had half of them left. And I was kind of killing me waiting for a while for the halt. I think it took like 10 minutes for the halt to resume. Then it resumed, and then it dropped down real fast. So I covered some there, and I don't know why I didn't cover some down here. It moved kind of strangely, when it opened. Not surprising, I guess. And I covered some here, and I covered some here, and I covered some here, and then I was down to 6 shares, and then it just seemed like it was going to be moving up, coming back up. So I got out the rest. I covered the 6 shares I had left, and I'm glad I did because if you look at, it just kept going up. So I haven't been in too many halts, but it's a little bit stressful. I mean, I didn't have my whole position. I only had half of it, and it already went my way, so it wasn't too bad. But it's just the waiting thing that's kind of, kind of suspenseful there. And one thing I want to mention is that LK was not in our list today, anybody's watch list. I just had it left over from my DAS trader being in here from another day. So that was kind of cool that happened. I'm glad I had it in my DAS trader and I kept it in. I did keep the reason why I did keep it in because I noticed in the pre-market it was moving quite nicely. So I'm just surprised nobody mentioned it in their pre-market analysis or had it in their watch list today. But I'm glad I did. So it worked out good. Made $25, so a really nice profit there on 60 shares. So a good way, a good day, a good way to start the week.